So we have this equation and we have to find the value of x. So let's get started and find the solution for this equation. Now we have 4 to the x negative 6 to the x whole over 2 equals to 9 to the x. Now the first thing that I am going to do is to move this 9 power x to the left hand side and this 2 to the right hand side. So to do that I have to multiply both sides by 2 over 9 to the x. So this becomes 4 to the x negative 6 to the x whole, and this is 2. Or I can give this denominator to both of these, so this becomes 4 to the x over 9 to the x negative 6 to the x over 9 to the x equals to 2. Now the power is same in numerator and denominator, so we can raise both of these to the same common power, and this becomes 4 over 9 whole to the x negative 6 over 9 whole to the x equals to 2. Or I can write this as 2 squared over 3 squared whole power x, and this one can be simplified to 2 over 3 whole to the x. Now we can further write this as 2 over 3 whole to the 2 and then whole to the x negative 2 over 3 to the power of x equals to 2. Now these powers are in multiplication, so we can switch these powers because in multiplication the order doesn't matter, so we can write this 2 over 3 to the x and then to the 2, and this one remains the same, so we have this thing. Now I am going to substitute y in place of this 2 over 3 whole power x, so writing 2 over 3 whole power x as y, we have the equation in much simplified form, that is y squared minus y equals to 2, or rearranging the equation we get y squared negative y negative 2 equals to 0. Now we can easily get the factors of this expression by midterm breaking rule. So we have y square and we can write negative y as positive y, negative 2y, negative 2 equals to 0, or I can get y common, so this is y plus 1, and negative 2 common, this is y plus 1, and this is equals to 0, or I can further take y plus 1 common and this becomes y negative 2. Now by zero factor theorem we can say that y plus 1 is 0 or y negative 2 is 0, because these two are in multiplication, so either y plus 1 is 0 or y negative 2 is 0 because their product is 0. So taking y plus 1 equals to 0, we have one solution, that is y equals to negative 1, and taking y negative 2 0, so we have another solution, that is y equals to 2. But we have to again write this y as 2 or 3 whole power x to get the value of x, so this is negative 1, and now to get the value of x we have to take natural log on both sides of the equation. So taking natural log, this becomes 2 or 3 whole power x, and this is ln of negative 1. Now the natural log or any logarithm of negative number is not possible, so we cannot have this one as the solution for this equation, and we are left with only one solution, that is y equals to 2, or we can say 2 over 3 whole power x equals to 2. Now taking natural log on both sides of the equation, so we have ln of 2 over 3 whole power x equals to ln of 2, or by the properties of logarithm we can move this x out of this logarithm, and this becomes something like this, equals to ln of 2. Now finally we have x equals to ln of 2. Dividing both sides by ln of 2 over 3, we get ln of 2 over ln of 2, and then again using the property of logarithm, we can write 2 over 3 as ln of 2 negative ln of 3. So we have this as the only solution